2 third-generation boat dealers in one. We're Nichols Marine at Jerry Whittle Boats, family-owned and operated for over 50 years. We're not bashful about doing business on a handshake and take great pride in meeting the personal needs of our customers. Exclusive to Jerry Whittle Boats, all pre-owned boats come with a worry-free 6-month mechanical warranty. All pre-owned vessels also include a comprehensive sea trial. That means before any documents are signed, we make sure you're 100% satisfied on the water. Whether you're a first-time owner or boating expert, our technicians will ensure you're comfortable with all aspects of operating your new boat.